Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about casual summer outfits. You guys have been requesting more casual outfits, things that you can wear with flats and sandals, so I am giving that to you. Pretty much all of these outfits you could pair with heels, but for this particular video I am just wearing flats. Easy and simple for the most part. My hair is also up so that you can just get up, tie your hair up, dress up and go. So if you're interested in this video, please stay tuned. As always, everything I mentioned will be linked in the description box below, as well as what I'm wearing. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Naomi Boyer. If you like what you see so far, please consider subscribing by hitting that red subscribe button down below. I'd really appreciate it if you took the time to do so. Hit that notification bell as well so you don't miss out on any new videos I put out. Follow me on Instagram. I'm just Naomi Boyer, and let's get to the video. Hey guys, so I just wanted to do a voiceover to kind of let you in on my thought process on how to make a casual outfit not so casual. So with this first outfit, I am just taking this straw bag. Adding a straw bag can definitely help dress up any outfit. It adds some life and something different, as well as tying your hair back. I tied my hair back like this and added some earrings because you can definitely accessorize any plain outfit as well. And this is what I did as well in the second outfit. I still have my straw or crocheted bag, as well as my earrings and my hair pulled back in a low bun. Taking any fancy looking trouser and pairing it with a flat sandal and a simple top is a way to look casual but still cute. And this third outfit is a floral romper. Now, anything with slight print on it will just automatically help you look a little more dressed up. In this case, I'm taking a romper. Any dress will do, but adding a nice light jacket like this denim one will just help complete an outfit. It'll just add more life and dimension, and then to make it comfortable, I just added some sneakers as well. Instead of wearing a plain old t-shirt, pair a blousier top with jeans or shorts to dress it up a bit. And this is also the same thing that I did in the very first outfit. This is just another super easy and simple way to look dressed up but still be casual. And then another really quick and easy way to dress up a plain outfit is to add some shorts to it, but shorts with print in particular. So you can wear a t-shirt, a button down, any plain old top on the top, and just by adding some shorts with any type of print on it will automatically make you look a little more dressed up so you're not too casual.